Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make monkey bread. So let's get started. First we're going to make the dough. In a large bowl, add the yeast, sugar, flour, and salt, and mix them together until they're combined. Then add in the cold cubed butter and rub it into the flour mixture until it's well combined and it forms fine crumbs. Then add in the eggs and the warm milk and mix them in until they're combined and a dough forms. And if it's too dry, just add in more milk, 1 tablespoon at a time. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured work surface. And knead it for about 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth. The longer you knead it for, the better. Grease the same bowl you used to mix the dough in. And place the dough into the bowl and turn it over a few times until it's coated. Then wrap it in plastic wrap and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 to 2 hours or until it doubles in size. Then once the dough has risen, turn it out onto a lightly floured work surface. And then stretch it into a long rectangle. Use a pizza cutter or a knife to cut it into strips. And then do it again going the other way. And then make sure you separate all the pieces. And then roll them into balls. Grease a bunt pan really well with nonstick cooking spray. Mix the sugar and the cinnamon in a small bowl. Then pour it into a large plastic bag. Add some of the dough balls into the bag. And seal the bag, and then shake it until the dough balls are coated in the cinnamon and sugar. And then place the dough balls into the pan. And then continue doing it for the rest of the dough balls. Then cover it in plastic wrap and let it rise in a warm place for about 45 minutes or until the pan is filled about 3/4 of the way. Then preheat the oven to 350 degrees. And then in a small saucepan, add the butter, brown sugar, and salt. And heat it over medium heat until the butter is melted and the mixture is well combined. Then pour it evenly over the dough.
Then place it onto a baking sheet lined with aluminum foil
Then bake it in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes or until it turns a deep golden brown color on top. Once it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 15 minutes. And then transfer it to a serving plate. And that's how to make monkey bread. Check out my channel for more amazing recipes and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.